demonstrating how to properly assess a Skinfold site assessment protocol. Skinfold measurements are used to determine subcutaneous fat, which is the fat right underneath the skin. The tool that is used to assess Skinfold assessment is known as a caliper. Proper technique and training it needs to be utilized in order to assess accurate results. Accuracy of using a Skinfold caliper assessment to measure body fat is plus or minus 3.5%. You must also ensure that the caliper is properly calibrated so it will not lead to inaccurate results. Factors that lead to inaccurate results during a Skinfold assessment are poor evaluator, improper technique, and if the subject is extremely lean or extremely obese. All measurements of Skinfold must be taken on the right side of the body while the subject is standing upright. Another reminder is that the subject should be also dressed in proper attire, such as athletic gear, in order to perform the assessment correctly. The first site that we are going to assess is the tricep. It should be measured at between the midpoint of the acromion and the acromion process. The fold of the tricep will be a vertical fold. Be sure when you pinch the skin and place the calipers are about 1 inch from the thumb, and you must hold the skin for about 1 to 2 seconds, ensuring that you are not pinching any muscle, only the fat. The next site that you will measure is the subscapula site. This is a diagonal fold and it will be measured 1 to 2 centimeters away from the inferior angle of the scapula. The next site will be the pectoral for men or the chest for women. For women, it will be a diagonal fold 1/3 from the mid-axillary line of the nipple, and for men, it'll be also a diagonal fold 1/2 from the mid-axillary line of the nipple. The next site will be the mid-axillary Skinfold site. This will be taken at the mid-axillary site of the xiphoid process of the sternum. The next site will be the abdominal site. In order to measure here, you will measure 2 centimeters to the right of the umbiculus. The next fold will be a diagonal fold on the iliac crest. Make sure to line up with the natural lining of the iliac crest on the interior axillary lining of the iliac crest. The last site will be on the mid-axillary line of the thigh, which is the midpoint between the proximal border of the patella and the hip crease. Here we have the formulas for all the various types of Skinfold assessments for men and women. You will only use the 7-site Skinfold equation. It is important to know the body density of the subject as well as the age. In order to determine body fat, you can use either the Siri equation or the Brozek equation.